Yo, welcome back. Welcome back to another stream. So, yeah, it's been like 2 days since I worked on this last time. So, if I'm not I'm be completely honest, I'm a bit tired. Cause I spent this weekend drinking and stuff like that. Um, so I'm a bit tired, but whatever. We gotta get working. Uh, so. Right now, I'm just checking how the game looks, cause oh shit, I forgot some music. Cause right now, okay, yeah, okay, it changed the sound again. Think that's good. So I'm just checking if everything is good. Uh, I can see that the resin gun is okay. I don't think I'm gonna change it for now, since that is kind of like it doesn't need to be top quality. What it needs to be top quality though is the game's gameplay. So if the animations and effects are mid, the gameplay has to be top. Like you feel me? So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let me see if we can get some music rolling. Yeah, that should be good. Nope, I don't like that. No, skip. So, yeah, this should be good. Yeah, this is good. Okay. So let's just do another battle so I can actually be uh aware of what's happening. Okay. Okay, I'm still not aware of what's happening. That's good for me. All right, and one more thing. All right, so let's do another battle. Uh, yeah. Okay. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. Let's see what's going on. I need to make the upgrading for the units. I wrote some stuff down that I need as well. Yeah, yeah. Right now, of course, prompting each other's alt, so they constantly have alt, which is not like how it should be in the end game. But for now, it's just how it tests. So I guess I can change it because I don't need to test the abilities anymore for this character at least. Um, Let me see. I need get completely sidetracked all the time. Okay. So I wrote down I need more units. I need different tiers of gold summoning because right now you can see this the gem summoning. So we're gonna need some different kind of summonings so it's not just flat gem summoning. So yeah, gems will be hard to earn, of course, and let's check. Yeah, this is good. Right. Um. So yeah, we're gonna need different tiers of gold summoning. We're gonna need some common should definitely be removed from gem summoning. And also wrote down that maybe we can invite some slimes to the summoning as well, so the player can use those to merge into units to like level them up and stuff. Uh, yeah, so that's gonna be how you're upgrading the units. That would be with XP, which you get off battling, and also of merging. Okay, and maybe we should introduce him. like real merging later on. But for now, I'm gonna keep it simple, so it's easy for me. Okay, so first up, I think that we should introduce the merging, which is not gonna be very tough actually. Nah, it wouldn't. So I should also have made a chat so people can see what they're writing actually. Why do I think of all this good stuff when I'm not when I'm streaming? Chat box. Yeah. Chat box. Theme, we're gonna just keep it clean, yeah. Always show messages, sure. Sure. We're just gonna, where should we put this? I think there is good. Let me just write my own message just to check if this is working or not. We're gonna be streaming for a bit over an hour today, by the way. Hello Pete. Yes sir. Alright, it works. So yeah, let's keep our focus. We should work on the slimes first. And yeah. Alright. Okay. I wanna, because right now I'm using Gemini as well. If you're not, should I definitely recommend that shit, because yeah, it's OP. I want to introduce slimes through my summoning. Slimes are supposed to be used for XP, which of course upgrades the units level when you merge them. This is probably a bigger implementation. So if it requires multiple runs, just tell me to. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna let it work out for a minute. It takes like around, because I'm using the pro version, because get that for free for like 30 days. So it takes like, I think about, if I had to guess, I think 30 seconds each prompt, like 30 seconds to 1 minute, because I also have to understand what I wrote and then find the best way to implement that. So the data foundation will define what a slime is, how much XP it gives, and add summoning tables so players can acquire them. Phase 2, just so you guys can follow. Phase 2, the UI for merging. We will update your inventory UI to visually distinguish slimes. Oh. Hello, Danu. What's up, bro? Phase 2, we'll update your inventory to visually distinguish slimes and create. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Sure. So let's see what it does. From what it does, we can create our own system, or just implement it. Either way, it's good. Because either we can use this for inspiration, if it's not as good as I need it to be, or we can use it, just use it. Sometimes it creates some good stuff. So yeah, like example for an existing unit. Yeah, I know how my units work. Actually, I like this, how they did this. Perfect. This is just what I need. So I'm gonna take this and actually just put it inside my Units. Of course, we have the master unit list as well, so we're gonna have to, let's just make it quick. No, yeah, I guess. But instead of rare, we're gonna put slimes. Alright, so XP yield, holy, I think I forgot how much XP they need. But yeah, let's just check how it works, and then we can go from there. So yeah, in the master unit list, it's gonna tell me to import all my other units, but they are non-existent right now. Green slime, because of testing purposes, of course. So green slime, yep. Right, the green slime, and of course the rare slime as well. Blue slime, and the pink slime. Let's get that as well. Yeah, so that's basically it for the unit table. Local, yeah, rarity colors, of course. We already got that, so no change here. Okay, I think it's tripping. Next. Yeah, but many people are probably gonna be like, why using AI? This is not good for coding, or like, but it's developed like AI. Don't sleep on AI. It's really good now. Of course, back in the days, like 3 months ago, you probably couldn't do this. But since all the new AI and all the new training they've done on the AI, it's actually become, as you can see right here, very, very useful. And now we have to read. I hate this part. Okay. In your backpack UI, screen UI, create a new frame and name it upgrade UI. Yeah. Alright. It is visible property to false, of course. And position and size it so it takes up most of the screen. Upgrade UI. Okay. So open our backpack UI. Let's just enable it for a sec. So let's just see how it works, and then we can do the visuals after. So for now, let's just do like this. And let's call it upgrade UI. And also inside the upgrade UI, we are gonna need a viewport frame, of course. I'm thinking of just copying the straight up. Nah, okay, let's focus on what it says. Okay, viewport frame. It doesn't need me to change the name over. Alright, so that's the target unit icon. It usually says what I should call these, but alright. So I have to figure it out myself. A text label for the unit's name and level. So, that's all. Oh, yeah, of course we can do that. So, let's position it like that. And the position is all good, yeah. Alright, sure. So now we can change this one. And we can make a text level. I hate this UI right now, but it's whatever. Level, right? Units name and level. Okay. Yeah, this is do like this, and then we can change it. Alright. Just for good measure, let's give this a UI stroke. I can actually see what I'm doing. Alright. Should we do it like this, or maybe like this? Yeah. Alright. And this is gonna be the XP. XP bar background. This is a big implementation. So hot in Denmark right now. Jesus Christ. Need to open my window again. Alright. I really like this font in terms of for now. As we can see, I use it in a lot of my things. So we're also gonna need a display area. Okay, so we need a scrolling frame. I'm thinking of upping this frame a little bit, but it should probably just fill the whole thing. Oh. I'm scared that I just move it. No, I didn't. Okay. We're gonna do this. Okay. So the unit, the upgrade frame, and it's supposed to be a little bit more up. 3, 3, 5, yeah. Alright. And then we're gonna need a scrolling frame. I really don't like this, but I guess it's fine for now. Scrolling frame. Oh, somebody's sexing me. 1 minute. Uh, UI grid layout, of course. Let's give it UI focus one. Just so the player has an idea of where it is. Alright. Got the scrolling frame, got the UI grid layout. The UI grid layout has to be changed in all kinds of ways, since it's no, I mean offset, not let's put a frame inside. Make it as quadratic as we can. I'm thinking something more like half of, not half. Like that, maybe. Nah, it's not enough. Don't quite like that. Yeah, this is pretty good, I think. Let's put more. They're a bit too far away from each other. Oh. I think this should be good. I like that. So let's see. Yeah, that's not perfect at all. Let's see. Like, should probably just be the same, pretty much. Yeah. Almost perfect. Perfect. Alright, for now, this is looking pretty good. We, of course, need another text label to tell the player how much they are going to get as XP. like that. I actually think that's a bad placement for this. We probably need it up here. Then we can have all the buttons on there. Yeah. I'm so glad that I'm not a UI artist. Jesus. This is enough pressure for me. Okay. Confirm merge and back button. Back button. Gonna make the color more red like. So it doesn't seem like it's in the middle at all, but it actually is. Text X alignment, text Y alignment should be like this, left. Let's try and put bottom, yeah. A little bit better, yeah. Text is just too big for. Alright. Should be good for now. This. it would actually target unit name, target unit XP. We can just check how this looks for now. Right. Yep. All right. We need to make a button for the inspector. Pretty perfect. Uh, so hit the upgrade button as well. It's pretty perfect. Perfect. All right. I like this so far. There's a lot of things I don't like, but I like this so far. We should probably also get the unit inspector to have the overlay. They're pretty stretched. Let's see, like that, maybe. Oh, that's why we're doing all of that. Okay. Alright, for now we have to test the backpack script. Okay, so this was pretty fucking hefty. I don't know if hefty is even an English word as well. Oh, we didn't summon the Naruto. Come on, Naruto, come on. Come on, Naruto. Oh, this can't be fucking real. He's a common unit. Come on. Where is Naruto? Something's wrong. Where is Naruto? What happened? Why's Naruto gone? I forgot this. Maybe it was just a bug. Let's see. Nice. Attempt to call a nil value. Let's see. 157. 625. Oh. I didn't figure this was gonna take like 45 minutes to create a fucking UI. That's a bit unexpected. Um, Luckily, if it wasn't for Gemini, this would probably, the process would probably say like, what, uh, like 5 times longer or something. Which I'm very thankful for. It doesn't take 5 times longer. I had to jump into my shorts, man. It's like, what is it? It's 17 degrees, but it feels like 20 something, 25, 24, maybe. What? Alright. Let's see. Because right now it's because of the UI state table. Oh, yeah. Good call. It's because some functions got called before this, so yeah. Instead of making them local functions, they should just be wherever I need them to be. That's probably why, but let's see if it fixes the problem before I start glazing the because there's a lot of things it's good at and a lot of things it's very terrible at. Yeah. Okay, so the unit upgrade UI does not pop up when clicking upgrade icon. No button. There's probably multiple reasons for this one. Maybe just a simple one. I don't know. The definitely Gemini knows because we made this part. I can really tell that my mind is not ready for this, all this work. I'm relying way too much on this UI. I mean, Gemini. Um, Alright, let me go grab a cup of hot chocolate. I'll be right back. Let me make a text. Doesn't need some text. Can I get some text? Thank you. Oof. Alright. So, let's see. We don't need to understand what it's doing, we just need to make it work. Okay. Oof. Had a little workout too. Did I forget some of my code or what? Let's see. Probably not. Just right. Let's see. Try and bug it out. Alright. That's pretty good. This coffee's not coffee, but it's hot as fuck. Right. That's perfect. So it actually removes everything from the UI until I use it again. Nice. Alright. That's pretty much perfect for the upgrade UI. So right now, because it knows my not my units, but it knows my pool manager, we need to make this a little different. Now before we move to phase 3, we need to change the loop manager value. Loop manager, I should probably just say. And we need the slimes to be separate from the units. Land should always be summonable, while different common units and so on units could be the cool like that works, but the player can see what slimes we have in the upgrade UI indicator. Okay, this is definitely manageable. So probably just gonna be this part right here. Let me see if I can drink this hot coffee. No, hot chocolate. Oh my god, it's very hot. This line has been removed. Create unit icon. Yep. Create unit icon. when we have this down, we actually have a lot of the system going. Um, what I will have to work on the most is definitely icons that are not just in the decal menu, and I will also have to work on more units. um, Also, I gotta name them something else in Naruto and stuff because obvious reasons, but I have to name them something else. Maybe change the look of them as well. Change the name of the rhythm gun as well. Uh, but yeah, so can't have it named the same at least. Because the game would just be taken down. But yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, that's right. Of course, that makes sense. Add unit, add unit, add unit, add unit, add unit. Of course, all my units actually need XP yields. No, because no. Okay, no, that's not true. Oh, I forgot to check something. Yeah, perfect. And I need XP yield. So for now, just say 500. XP yield. XP yield. Bro, that makes sense. It also got added in there. Okay. Now my Naruto is level 3, right? Yeah. Let's take him into battle. Damn, this is perfect. All right. That's a bunch of stuff done in only 1 hour and 30 minutes, actually. So that's not a lot. Let's just select everything. 1100 XP. Oh my. That's a high level already. Let's see how much it. Probably the highest level you can get. Alright. So that's everything for today's stream. Because I actually got everything I needed done for today. So we got the slime system done today. We got the inventory system done as well. So we can actually, I can remove this from my to-do list. And the next thing we need is gold summoning instead. And I need to write on my to-do list that we need change XP data. And also we need more units. We definitely need more units, and also we need more physical models. Alright, so that's basically it for today's stream. I mean, we got a lot done today. So if you enjoyed, you can of course like the stream, and you can also give me a subscribe. That's up to you. But if you enjoyed, you can do that. And have a great night or day or whatever you guys are having. And see you guys in the next stream. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. after work, so be out for that if you wanna watch, of course. But anyways, see you guys later. I'll be in touch.